Good morning, lovelies. It is currently like 10:30ish maybe, and I just got done getting ready. I did some makeup, put on this cute little outfit because I'm actually about to go take my cat on a little morning walk. I got a little stroller for her recently. It's pink and it's so cute. I love it so much, and I've been taking her on walks at least once a day, but I try to do it twice a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. Take her on walks because I love going on walks and I love my cat. So having my cat in a little stroller while I'm on a walk, listening to my music is just so much fun. And I've been doing it every single day since I got the stroller. It's just so much fun. So I'm going to get her in her harness, and I'm also going to bring Yuna today. So I'm going to put both of them in their harnesses, put them in the stroller, and then go on a walk with my brother. So let's go do that because I'm actually really excited. I love taking her on walks.
Hi. Hi, Zoe. Okay, let's go.
It's been a minute since I got back home from going on a walk with my cats and my brother, and that is because when I got home I sat down, ate some lunch. I had a burrito for lunch, by the way. It was so good. And then I just sat down and talked with my brother for about like an hour and a half because we don't usually have the time to sit down and talk with each other, so it was nice that we actually got to do that. We just talked about a bunch of random stuff. But now it is time to get busy with what I had planned for today, and the first thing that I need to do is wash my bedding. It has been a minute since I last washed it because I've just got so busy with some other things and also keep forgetting to wash my bedding. So I just have to do that today, and that's the first thing I'm gonna get done. So by the time I go to bed, hopefully it can be dry. And then I need to clean up in my room a little bit. It's just a little messy. Just a little messy, not too super crazy messy. As you can tell, like my floor space is pretty clean, but the rest of my room just needs a little tidy up. And then I'm also going to go clean in my living room a little bit because I like to make sure that the space for the family is clean. I do that all on my own, by the way. I just like my family having a clean space to be in. So I'm gonna go and clean like the living room a little bit, maybe the kitchen as well, once I'm done doing some stuff in my room. But that is what I have planned for today. So let me just stop yapping and go put my bedding in the washer. My bedding is now in the washer, as you guys saw, and I'm going to be picking up my room a little bit. But before I do that, I want to show you guys something that I got at Target the other day because me and my family went out and did some shopping on Saturday. We actually originally went to this Halloween event at the St. Helens Halloween Town, Spirit of Halloween Town. Is that what it's called? I'm pretty sure, yeah, Spirit of Halloween Town. We went there, but it was raining all day, so it wasn't really fun to be walking outside while getting rained on. So we decided to leave that a little early, and then we did some shopping afterwards. And I did get some other stuff, but I'll show you guys that later in this video. But for now, I want to show you guys this thing because I'm so excited about it, and it does have to do with cleaning. That's what made me think of showing this to you guys right now. But I got this super cute wireless pink vacuum. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. When we got it, I could not shut up about being excited to use it and just be like having a pink vacuum. When I saw it in the store, I was like joking around saying like, oh my gosh, can I get a pink vacuum? Like that'd be so funny, like just like joking around about it. And my mom and dad were like, no, like you can actually get it. And I was like, wait, really? And they were like, yeah girl, because you do a lot of the cleaning in the house, so might as well have some like cute cleaning supplies, equipment while you clean. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. I'm so happy and so like excited that I have a little pink vacuum, and I'm actually going to be using this. I need to like open it up and I think maybe charge the battery, but I need to use this because my windowsill and the little ledge that's between my bed and my wall needs to be cleaned, and I can use a duster and whatnot, but it's a lot harder to do. So now that I have this vacuum that can reach into like smaller spaces, so excited, guys. Like, this seems like such a silly thing to get excited over, but as someone who enjoys cleaning and cleans a lot, this is very exciting, having a little vacuum that matches like your vibe, that matches you. Pink vacuum, hello, what? I'm gonna open it up and figure out what I need to do before using it, and then I'm gonna use it, and I'm so excited. I figured it out. That took much longer than it needed to. Oh my gosh. Just cleared off my desk. It looks so much better now. I also reorganized up here a little bit. These are my K-Con nails. I don't have a spot for them yet, so they've just been chilling up here, but I organized them to look a little cute on display, even though it looks a little weird. The thought of it's cute because they're my K-Con pink ZB1 Eugen Unini nails. I don't know. It looks weird, but it kind of looks cute at the same time. So I reorganized this so everything looks so cute and clean now. Now I am in my living room just to chill and kind of take a little break, and I have Zoe here with me. She's sleeping right now. But while I'm out here taking a break, I think I'm gonna edit a reel so I can have a post go up today. And then once I'm done doing that, I'll get back up and start cleaning again. Reel has been edited, posted, and I also posted it on TikTok, which is honestly kind of surprising because I always forget to post my reels over on TikTok as well. But today, thankfully, I remembered to do so. You guys should go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both just at Pia with a heart. The community is a little different over there. I am way more active over on Instagram. I just post a lot on my story. I'm always interacting with people. It is so fun over there. So if you want to see more short form content from me and want to see more of me, make sure to go follow my other social medias. Shameless promo for myself on my own channel. I know. But anyways, before I continue cleaning, I wanted to give you guys a haul of the rest of the stuff that I got on Saturday because I did get quite a few things. I have all of it here in a basket behind me because I didn't want it like just floating all over my room. Let me just show you everything that I got. First thing I got is Christmas related, but I wanted to get it now because I don't know when I'm going to go to Target next. I got a cute little stocking and then a stocking holder for it so I can have a little stocking in my room this year for Christmas. And I think that looks so cute. Then also kind of on the topic of holidays, I got this cute little skull purse. So in October, I can have a cute little like spooky purse because I don't really have many things that fit into like Halloween in my pink and white aesthetic. And I got this at the Spirit of Halloween Town. I got it from one of the vendors. It's so cute. It has the straps on the inside, which they are just pink. You see that? So I'm very excited that I got this because now for the rest of October I can rock a cute, oh my gosh, why isn't this zipping back up? Whatever. For the rest of October I can rock a cute little skull bag and feel spooky even in my cute pink and white colors. So I'm very happy with this purchase. It is so cute. I love it. One last holiday kind of related thing. I got this cute Ron Weasley mug from TJ Maxx. I got it from TJ Maxx and I got it because I love Ron Weasley so much, guys. Orange isn't my color, but I love Ron, so I was like, you know what, it's cute. And I actually do have Ron's sweater, so in the winter time when I do my annual Harry Potter movie, what's it called, movie marathon, I can sit in my Ron Weasley sweater with my Ron Weasley mug, drink my tea. It's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. It's truly the like little things in life that have been making me so happy lately. Like this mug made me so happy when I saw it. My mom showed it to me and I was like, oh, it's so cute because look at it, it's adorable. I love it. I love Ron Weasley. Moving on to the clothes that I got. Starting off, I got these cute little Marie fuzzy socks. They are adorable. This one has like, it's gray with a white bow. These are white with the pink bow and then a little heart with Marie in it. And then these ones are pink with a big Marie on them. I love these so much. I don't usually wear fluffy socks, but I probably should because my feet, little information about me, sometimes my feet get so cold that I can't move them and it hurts a lot. And so having socks like this will actually be very helpful when my feet get really cold and they start hurting. Very excited to use these as we head into the colder months because hopefully my feet won't be in a lot of pain and be super cold. And to go with mine, my mom got some matching Bambi ones on here. It's like a cream yellow, I don't know, with Bambi, and then green with white stripes, and then like a brownish beige, I don't know, with Thumper on them. She is a big fan of Thumper and Bambi, and I am a big fan of Marie, so this is perfect. Now we have cute little matching socks. I love them so much. And then I got this cute little pajama set. It's so cute. I just got it from Target. Just this cute little pink long sleeve with matching pants. There's a little bow on it right there. I normally don't go for long sleeve or pants to wear to bed, but as kind of going back to the socks, as the colder months approach, I need to be a little warmer while I'm sleeping, and these aren't like super heavy. They're kind of lightweight actually, and they seem pretty breathable too. So that's pretty nice. I'm just very excited to wear these. It's just a cute little matching set. Then the last clothing item I got is this cute little swan sweater. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love sweaters. As you guys can probably tell, I wear sweaters a lot. I'm wearing like a crew neck right now, and it's warm, and I have a bunch of sweaters on my clothing rack here and a bunch in my closet, and I'm constantly wearing them when it's colder outside. They're just comfy, you know. If I put this on with like a pair of shorts, I am set for the day. And I saw this at, I think it was Ross, maybe Ross or TJ Maxx. I don't know. I don't know where the tag is. Hold on. TJ Maxx. We didn't go to a Ross. I saw this at TJ Maxx and I thought it was just the cutest little sweater ever. And swans are really pretty. And they make like a little heart in the middle. I thought that was really cute too. Then I got a Rem Beauty, R-E-M Beauty. I don't know how it's said, Rem or R-E-M. But I got the Rem, I'll just say Rem Beauty Wicked for Good Cherry Blossom Blush Palette. I actually haven't opened it yet, but I do need a new blush. That's why I got this. I'm running out of the blush that I currently have on. And I love Wicked so much, so I thought that this palette would just be like the perfect palette for me. So let's look at it together. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. It's got flowers here and they like shine. It's so cute. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I like that one. I think this is similar to the blush that I have on right now. Mine is just really blended in because when I first put it on, it's very pigmented and very pink. So this is really nice. The shades are perfectly pink, Glimmer in the Sky, and Lovelier. The thing I got is this cute little pink cleaning bucket because like I said earlier in this video, I do a lot of the cleaning because I like to give my family a clean space, but I'm also, not gonna lie, a little bit of a clean freak. If my room's too messy and I feel too overwhelmed to deal with it, I'll go into the living room where it's clean most of the time and I'll chill out there because I just cannot handle messy areas that well. Constantly cleaning my kitchen and living room and bathroom and hallway just to make sure that everything is always clean. Not because it's always messy, I'm a clean freak. I like to make sure things are clean. So my mom and dad got me this cute little pink cleaning bucket. It comes with 2 spray bottles, some cleaning gloves, and microfiber towels. Oh, and some sponges, silicone sponges. Then the next thing I got are 2 new rugs for my bathroom because we had 2 rugs in there originally. One just got dirty because we've had it for a while. Just going to get a new one for in front of the sink, but then I saw this duo set right here and I was like, you know what, why not just get new ones for in front of the shower and in front of the sink. And they're really soft too, and they fit into the like color scheme of my bathroom. This thing I got is K-pop related. Of course, when I go out, I had to get something K-pop related too, and that is P1 Harmony's X vinyl. It is so cute. I love the pink. I love just like the video game concept for this. I got this because I love P1 Harmony and I love pink, and I really like the X song too. Like, guys, their song X is so good. I have been non-stop singing and dancing to it since it came out, basically. So I had to get one of the versions of the album, of course. Well, that I have showed you guys that I need to get back to cleaning. Just got some mail. So let's see what it is. I actually know what it is, but still. Okay. How cute it looks. Starting with the freebies, I got a cute little, like, Matthew postcard. Yujin, Gyuvin, and Zhang Hao sticker. Some cute Sanrio stickers. Hanini, Zhang Hao, Han Yujin, Nicholas, I love Nicholas. Gunwook, Ricky. Oh. Ricky, that's a nice Ricky. And Gyuvin. Those are some good freebies. Now onto what I actually ordered. Some Unini Fruit Peach Unini pull tabs for my trading and selling. And then also custom thank you notes with my Pia with a heart username. And then I'm also going to write at Misa Awane because that's my trading account username. So, because sometimes I'll trade from like my Pia with a heart and then post a proof on Misa Awane. Cute little package. It's now the next day and I'm in my bathroom right now because I forgot to clean it up yesterday. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to clean up some of the towels that are on the floor, restock the toilet paper, sweep, well, I guess vacuum, because I want to use the vacuum on hardwood because I've never done that before. So that sounds fun. I know that sounds like a weird thing. That sounds fun to me, but it sounds fun. And I'm going to mop, hopefully, and then just clear off the counters. I don't know if I said that. Clean over here. Just do some cleaning. The new mats. Cute. My hamper back in place. Time to restock some toilet paper because we are running out, so I need to fill up our toilet paper holder and cubby. This is what the bathroom is now looking like. It looks so much better. I love these new little rugs. They're so cute and they definitely brighten up the room a little bit more, and they go with like the pink towels that we have. Ooh, that one needs to get washed. The pink towels that we have for like hand towels and decorative towels, and then also kind of with the paintings in here. I think they go together quite nicely. Now that I'm done with this, I think I'm gonna go chill in my room for a little bit and let my phone charge because it's almost dead. But I just wanted to get this space clean because it was kind of stressing me out coming in here and getting ready in the morning and having it being messy. So yeah, now it's clean and I'm very happy.